Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily updates for gold and silver. We'll try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators what could be the possible entries and the trading behavior of gold and silver throughout the day before I come up with my next analysis for gold just before the US cash session. So do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first. See, this is the 4-hour chart for gold and you can clearly see what it is trying to do is this was the drop, bounce back and now trying to rise. So possibly I will be looking forward to 1820 levels. Once it goes past 1820, then only, rather I will say 1824, then only I will consider this as bullish, and probably beyond this it may try to hit 1830 and beyond levels. At the same time we will be looking forward to 1808 levels. Once it goes past 1808, you can consider that probably we may see a little drop in the coming time frame on gold here. Also, let me turn on the indicators here. You can find that once it goes past 1824, probably we'll be looking forward to this zone at 1835-36, which is going to be a stronger resistance, as we have already seen multiple times before in previous times. Months back, 1833-36 zone was such a strong resistance for gold to pass by. It stayed below this for a longer time. Now look at this. On the downside you'll find 1810 providing it a very strong support. Now it has created a base out here at 1808 and failed to break past this C3 candles, taking the support at 1808 and trying to bounce back from here. So I'll be watchful of that. And if you look at the directional movement is bearish on the 4-hour charts. The stochastic is looking upwards on the 4-hour chart. See the variance looking down, and the black line is sloping upwards, indicating little bullishness here. And if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge. If it crosses over, we may see a little rise in the coming time frames. Look at the RSI. This was oversold, now trying to come back into the comfort zones, but I'll be watchful of 1824 levels. Look at the 3-hour charts. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, see once again this was the drop. Now probably it may try to create this high before it looks forward again for a downward move, even if it is bearish then and then only. So 1824 I'll be looking forward to. Beyond that 1830 levels, and beyond that it will fly. So I'll be looking forward to this zone. If it breaks past this, yes, you can consider this as a bullish reversal. So 1824 and 1830 levels, definitely something I will be looking forward to. Look at the 3-hour charts here. See, it has taken a clear-cut support here, and 1810 providing a little support. With that as support, it is trying to bounce. However, you can find that there is a little resistance. It is getting at around 1817 levels. So that is another observation out here. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards, it is bullish. MACD is trying to converge, crossover. A crossover will bring it into a buy zone again. RSI looking upwards from here. Similarly on the 2-hour charts, if you find 2-hour charts here, see on the 2-hour charts too, similar is the story. How many candles have got the support at 1810? Almost 6-7 candles getting the support at 1810. Yes, there are offshoots, so 1810 to 18.5 zone is something which is critical for gold. If it breaks past this zone, you can consider that it may try to break further on the downside. And on the upside, if you look at, probably I will be looking forward to this zone at 1820-24. If this zone is taken, then gold is going to fly high towards 1836 level. So I'll be watchful of 2024 zone, and I'll be watchful of 5 to 10 zone. In between these levels, I'll be cautious here. Now look at the directional movement is trying to converge and crossover. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD has crossed over. This is the first green candle after the crossover, and possibly because the divergence is more, probably we may see a couple of more green candles from here. RSI is looking flat but looking upwards. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, couple of observations to make. Till now it has given higher lows, and also it has created a base. It is open upwards. Only if it breaks past 1808, I will recommend you to go short. Then 1805, and below that we may see it going below 1800 and below levels. At the same time, once it goes past, see, it is trying to create a double top here, but possibly once it goes past 1820, one can consider that it may try to fly high towards 1828, 30 and 36 zones. So I'll be watchful of that. And directional movement is still bullish. See the daily stochastic, this is trading oversold right now. MACD is trying to converge from here. RSI is oversold here, so a bounce back can be expected in gold here. And considering this for the day, one can go short if you see it trading below 1808. Yes, you can go short, but there is going to be a little support at 1804, 1800. These are going to be the targets. You can go short below 1808, and then one can expect 1804 the first target, 1800 the second target. Below that it will try to hit 1796 and 1790. Below that it is going to be bearish for the rest of the week, and we may see a sharper drop in gold towards 1780 1760 levels. But I expect that it may try to rise a little before it tries to drop. 1836 levels should get achieved this week at least. In fact, it can try to bounce back beyond, but I think these levels must get achieved before it tries to look forward to a drop. And yes, on the upside, if you see it trading beyond 1820, yes, you can go long there. And beyond 1820, the nearest resistance is at 1824, then 1830 will come into picture. Beyond 1830, 1836 is the strongest resistance. In between this zone 2024, we may see a little resistance. Passing this, definitely a stronger move will come in gold, which will bring it towards 1836, and beyond that also it can rise till towards 1847 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 1808 and 1820 levels. But as I said, right now I expect that probably 1836 this week should get achieved, and hence you can take your positions accordingly with the stop loss at 1798. You can remain long. That is also another possibility which you can try considering. However, be ready with the consolidation phase also. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See, this is the 2-hour charts for silver, and it reflects on couple of probabilities. One, that once it goes past 2130, next time whenever you see it trading above 2130-35 zone, just close your eyes, go long. It is going to give you sharper green candle, and the candle will try to take it towards 2160 level. So take your positions accordingly. Beyond 2130 one can remain long, and rather I'll say beyond 2135 one can remain long. Possibility exists that that might happen. Also on the other side, this candle on the 2-hour chart is trying to create or indicate a reversal candle. Hence a short below 2110 cannot be denied. Below 2110 my target is 2100, and below that it may try to come back till towards 2090 2080 levels. This is also a possibility which can happen here, and I will only trade as per the levels and not as per the bias. So probability one can go short at 2110, one can go long at 2130 and take positions accordingly. Now look, this is just on the 2-hour charts. I will conclude this on further time frames also. Look at the directional movement is bullish on the 2-hour charts. The stochastic is overbought on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is wide and divergent, and probably it may try to converge. And if you look at the RSI is also trading with an upward slope. Looking at the 3-hour chart, similarly, what it is trying to do is, see, if it is bullish, it has to give us similar, this much size of candle has to appear here. Beyond 2130 we can expect that it can try to go till towards 2150 2160 levels can be seen. So this is in the case if it tries to turn bullish, but it may try to give you a reversal here. 2110 is the level I'll be watchful of. Once it breaks past 2110, you can expect that 2100 2090 and 2080, in fact it can come back till towards 2060 levels, and below that it will be bearish. Stochastic directional movement try to converge and cross over on the buy side. Stochastic is overbought, hence it may try to look forward to a little consolidation or drop. MACD is wide and divergent, indicating bullishness here in silver. RSI not showing any signs. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour charts, see, one observation, it is still trying to trade with this channel, and hence only breaking past 2130 I will recommend you to go long. Beyond that it may try to fly towards 2150 2160 levels, and on the downside breaking past 2110 probably it indicates that it may try to come back till towards this level at 2050 in this week itself. So I will be watchful of that. The 4-hour directional movement trying to converge crossover, extremely overbought here, and stochastic is overbought. MACD has just crossed over and it is white divergent, indicating bullishness here. RSI is looking upwards. Coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts, see one probability that it may give you a smaller move only today. That is one probability, that it may try to give you a smaller move and then a breakout or an upwards move or a sharp green candle can be expected tomorrow, which will try to take it towards 2150, 2160. This much size of candle has to be expected, and in fact this time if it breaks past 2130, you can expect a sharper green candle which will try to bring it till towards 2150, 2160 zones before it looks forward to a drop again. And hence I'll be watchful of the levels. The directional movement is still bearish. The stochastic is looking upwards on the daily charts. MACD is trying to converge on the daily charts, and look at the RSI. This is also trading below and it is trading at the oversold levels, hence a little retracement has to be expected, but I'll be watchful because in general, see, it tries to create body in slowly and then a sharper rise is expected, which might try to take it on the upside. So I'll be watchful of that. I'll be watchful of 2130 for the day. Go long only if you see it trading above 2130. Beyond that, 2140, 2150, 2160 are the targets. Go short if you see it trading at 2110. Below that, one can expect 2100, 2090 and 2080 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 2110 and 2130 levels. So take your positions. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do not forget to keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Do not forget to reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email ID and Telegram ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on first week of June. Book your seats now. Seats are filling fast. 15 days session will definitely have an impact in your trading behavior. So reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.